alternation of waves, another useful concept from Elliott Wave Theory. It states that corrective waves within an impulse alternate in terms of complexity and length. If the first corrective wave, the second wave in the impulse wave is simple and deep, which is most often the case, then the second corrective wave, the fourth wave in the impulse will be complex and flat. It's also important to understand that the fourth waves in an impulse are the most complex. They will definitely test the strengths of your convictions, because at this moment, the fate of the entire trend is being decided. In other words, whether it was an ABC correction or if it will turn into a full-fledged impulse. Moreover, many market participants and those chasing the most profitable third waves prefer to lock in profits and not wait for the fifth and final wave. Because of this, situations arise in fourth waves that make people nervous and lead to poor decision making. During actual trading, you should reason as follows. If something is developing like an impulse, then we expect an impulse. And what the outcome will be, we'll find out. Based on this logic, after we enter a position, we can see that waves 1 and 2 have already passed, and the third is unfolding. Accordingly, we wait for the fourth, and knowing about the rule of alternation of waves, we understand that there may be surprises here. But expectations alone are not enough. We need support, and we have it. Let me introduce you to the dynamic support level. Fourth waves either bounce off it or pierce it and quickly return back. If this level is breached, it puts an end to the further development of the impulse. I'm not ready to share the rules for drawing this level with you yet, but I wanted to show you that there are methods for determining the end of the fourth wave. And there is not just one, but several. I also think that among you, there are those who have already guessed it. You can enter a position from this level or add to it if you miss the initial entry. Entering from such a level is pleasant because it is upward sloping and your stop is constantly moving up, reducing potential losses if the price moves against you. Moreover, you are entering in the direction of the trend, which increases your chances of success.